Hi, my name is Shez. Today is the third video that we are making for the Project Food Garden. Today we have finally moved all the plants of tomatoes into the patch. If you can have a quick view of the patch. And this is like different variety that we have put into the garden. We've got Moneymaker, we've got beefsteak, and we have mixed them all together. This is the Italian Roma that we're doing. And I'm gonna do one last plant just to show you when you put your tomatoes into the garden. It's a bit early though. The cutoff date for putting the plants out is the Labor weekend, but keeping in view how cracking the weather is, we have decided to do it today. So this is the last plant that I'm going to be transferring into the garden. So I've already put a bit of compost and a bit of coffee grounds. When you put the plant in, make sure that you press it really hard. The deeper it would go, the more roots it would create. So we have put this in. And now I'm gonna make sure that it stays nice and steady. And when we are done, we'll put a bit of support for the plant so it doesn't fall out or break, because these plants are quite sensitive in the early phase of their lives. Once they would grow a healthy stem, they would be self-sufficient. However, you can see the stakes. They're all over the patch. We have given initial support, and guess what? Everything that I'm using to support the garden, it's been generated from this garden. We had a few trees down here. When we cut them out, we store the wood for the winter, for a wood burner, and then we had cut out lots of nice stakes. So I haven't gone to the market to buy the stakes to support the plants. For the Italian Roma tomatoes, we're going to be creating a net on this side. Once it's done, I just wanted to show you that of all the work that we have done so far, this patch is also finished now. We've got about 16 plants here. So this is looking really good. And if you can see on one of the Moneymakers, the very first fruit is sprouted as well. It's looking good. And like I said yesterday, this is going to be a really wonderful summer. And our first patch of the potato is up and running. What I'm looking forward to, have a look at this. Somebody told me about this Russian black cream variety, and I have sprouted about 1 dozen of these babies, and once they are ready to go into the garden, we'll prepare another patch somewhere up there probably, and we'll have Russian cream. We've got Moneymaker, we've got Big Beef, we've got Italian Roma, we've got Russian Creme, we've got Early Girl, we've got lots of varieties that we put into the garden. And I'm going to be doing grafting later down when these plants would mature. We'll also do some grafting, and we'll try and create hybrids from our own garden, from a very own garden. So lots more to come in the future. Keep tuned, and I hope you like this. Any questions, give me a buzz. As you can see, we have done the raised beds for this. And this soil was fertilized with compost, horse manure, gypsum, and I've added coffee grounds today prior to, mixing the soil prior to putting the plants in. So it's all good. I mean, everything in the summer is going to be produced within our garden. Fingers crossed. So, like I said before, any questions? If you want me to do any more videos, because we've got lots coming down the road, and we are making really good headways in generating our own product and converting this garden into a food garden. That's about it for now. Thank you very much, and have a good day to you all.